Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about one of the easiest and most delicious ways to elevate your barbecue game, grilling corn on the cob in foil. This method keeps your kernels incredibly juicy while infusing them with amazing flavors. It's a simple trick that makes a huge difference. You'll get tender, flavorful corn every single time, perfect for any meal. Let's dive into how to make your next cookout unforgettable. Grilling corn on the cob in foil is a fantastic summer side dish. It pairs perfectly with burgers, barbecue chicken, or even grilled fish. You can even use frozen corn. Just allow a little extra cooking time. The magic happens inside that foil packet. It steams the corn while it grills, locking in moisture and flavor. This technique ensures your corn is always tender and never dry. Want to take your corn to the next level? Try adding a unique twist to the classic recipe. Experiment with different spices like garlic powder, onion salt, paprika, or even a pinch of cayenne pepper. You can create a delicious compound butter by mixing these spices directly into softened butter. Spread this flavorful butter all over your corn before wrapping it up. It's an easy way to infuse incredible taste. For a sweeter take, combine coconut milk and sugar. Shuck and husk your corn, then brush it generously with coconut milk. A sprinkle of sugar or even lemon pepper can add extra zest and sweetness. Imagine the tropical notes complementing the smoky char. This variation is a delightful surprise for your taste buds. It's a simple change that yields big flavor. Let's talk about Mexican grilled corn, or elote, in foil. This street market favorite combines sweet, savory, and spicy flavors. Grill your shucked corn until it's slightly charred. Then, spread it with a mixture of butter, mayonnaise, garlic, and chili powder. A sprinkle of cotija cheese adds a nutty, creamy finish. This easy recipe works perfectly in your backyard. First, prep your grill for medium heat. Shuck, wash, and remove all the silks from your pouring ears. Now, it's time for that delicious compound butter. Generously butter each ear of corn. Then, wrap each one tightly in aluminum foil, sealing the ends well. Place these foil packets directly onto the grill. Cook for approximately 15 minutes, turning them regularly. This ensures all sides of the corn cob get equal attention and cook evenly. You'll know they're done when the kernels are tender. When serving, be very careful removing the hot foil packets from the grill. Steam will escape when you unwrap them, so open them away from your face. You can add more butter or salt if desired. A pastry brush helps spread that compound butter beautifully. Remember, the corn will be hot, so handle with care. Enjoy the incredible aroma as you unwrap each perfect ear. For a zesty kick, try lemon pepper corn on the cob. Mix 5 tablespoons of softened butter with 2 teaspoons of lemon pepper seasoning. Spread this mixture all over your corn before grilling. Other fantastic seasonings include paprika, rosemary, thyme, parsley, or chives. Mix these herbs into your butter or sprinkle them directly onto the corn. For a Chesapeake flair, add a dash of Old Bay. For a playful, tropical spin, try coconut grilled corn. Use unsweetened coconut milk, combining the cream that floats to the top with the rest of the milk. Add sugar for a sweet, creamy butter. Asian sesame grilled corn offers a unique nutty aroma. Coat each ear generously with sesame oil and sesame seeds. Wrap in foil and grill until tender, turning frequently. A squeeze of fresh lime juice and a sprinkle of cotija cheese can add a final flourish. This method for grilling corn on the cob is incredibly popular for good reason. The flavorful butter adds great depth, and the foil wrapping retains moisture, ensuring even cooking. Plus, it makes for easy cleanup. Foil also prevents sticking to the grill grates and keeps your corn soft without becoming soggy. Heavy-duty foil sheets are recommended for the best results. No matter your flavor choice, foil is your secret weapon for perfect grilled corn.